Hello guys, today we have a Photoshop special video for you. In this, you will be told how to create new things from what you know about Photoshop. You guys have heard about Photoshop mockups, right? That is what we are talking about today. These mockups give our designs a different look. For example, look at these photos. You must have seen a lot of photos like this on the internet, but if you want to edit this, you have to buy this mockup. But today we are talking about how to make mockups in the form of this photo, editable. Simply put, this is about how to create an editable PSD file using a JPEG or PNG file. So let's go watch the video. Okay, open Photoshop on your PC. Now I open the image that I want for the mockup that I am making today. This is downloaded from the internet. Now this is how the image opens. Now select the magnetic lasso tool from tools and use it to select around this page like this. Now click select in the menu bar and click expand and modify. Put 1 pixel and click OK. Make sure you select this correctly, otherwise it may not be selected from the corners. Next, click the letter J along with the Control button. Now rename that layer to Flyer. Next, make a rectangle like this with the rectangle tool. When drawing it, draw the rectangle almost similar to our picture. Next, right-click on the layer with the rectangle in the layers and click Convert to Smart Object. Now adjust its opacity to between 30% to 40%. Now press the letter T along with the Control button. Then you can transform the image. Now right-click on the image and click on Distort. Now drag from the corners of the rectangle like this and adjust it to fit the image. Adjust the folded places by clicking on this warp. Now click on Create Clipping Mask in Layers in menu bar. Now increase the opacity that we reduced in the rectangle to 100%. Next, rename that layer as Place Image. You can use any name you like for this. Next, when you double-click the thumbnail of that layer, a new file will open like this. Next, in the menu bar File, click Place Embedded. Now select the image you want to add to this. Next, click on this place. Now adjust this to fit this canvas. Next, press the Enter button. Okay, now save this, because you can easily edit later on without worrying about it. To do that, click on Save as in File in the menu bar and select the location to be saved and select PSD as the file type. Okay, the work on our mockup is finished. Remember, this is a very simple mockup. Now let's open this saved file and see how to add another flyer to it. Now open our mockup like this. When you double-click the thumbnail of that place image layer, a new file will open like this. Now adjust it properly like this and save it. Now in this way our output can see. So I hope this video was important for you. Then don't forget to goodbye and support the channel by subscribing.